The AccuMix mixing system is a syringe system for the mixing and transfer of hydrated AccuFill bone substitute material. It provides a convenient, efficient, closed alternative to bowl mixing technique. AccuMix mixing technique consists of 4 basic steps. 1. Prepare the saline, syringe, and powder. 2. Add the powder to the syringe and then inject saline into the powder. 3. Convert the syringe to a mixer and mix the components. And 4. Convert the mixer back to a syringe and prepare for delivery. The AccuMix mixing system is packaged in a double sterile barrier, allowing the inner sterile tray to be transferred to the sterile field. Open the outer peel pack and directly transfer the sterile tray to the back table, or set the opened pouch on the ring tray for a separate transfer. Now, open the sterile tray. Remove and discard the inner tray cover. The mixing system contents include a mixing syringe and funnel, lure lock cap, blue plug, and 5 1cc delivery syringes. Open and transfer the AccuFill set contents to the back table. The components needed for syringe mixing include AccuFill BSM, saline, and saline syringe. To prepare for mixing, draw up the required volume of hydration liquid. Injecting air into the saline vial eases solution withdrawal. The recommended amount of saline is 3.0 to 3.2 cc's. This video shows mixing instructions for 5 cc's of AccuFill BSM. If mixing 3 cc's of AccuFill BSM, please use the recommended hydration volumes shown on the screen. The next step is transferring the AccuFill powder to the mixing syringe. Lift the syringe from the sterile tray and seat the plunger T in the tray groove. While holding the T in the groove, lift the funnel to extend the syringe. Remove AccuFill BSM vial from the tray, then tap several times on the table to loosen powder. Empty the vial of AccuFill into the funnel. Tap the funnel as needed to deliver the powder fully into the syringe. Use one hand to hold the plunger under the syringe to keep the syringe extended. Remove the funnel and cap the syringe. Next, remove the blue plug from the cap and set it on the back table. Do not discard the plug. Attach the saline syringe to the mixing syringe. You are now ready to hydrate the powder. Inject the saline into the powder. To release excess air from the syringe, pull up on the saline syringe plunger. Now re-inject any remaining liquid and then release the gas again. Remove the saline syringe. Reattach the blue plug onto the cap. Tilt the capped syringe toward you and lift it from the tray. Next, convert the syringe to a mixer. With the plunger fully extended, remove the outer sleeve from the stem. Set it on the sterile field for later use. You are now ready to mix. Mix by vigorously plunging and withdrawing the mixing stem the full length of the syringe. The first 3 or 4 strokes are critical to fully mixing the saline into the powder, so ensure that these strokes plunge and withdraw fully. The remaining strokes should be completed with a twisting, rotating motion, as shown. The mixture will begin to take the consistency of paste after mixing for about 30 seconds, but continue mixing for the full 60 seconds. It is important to avoid holding the syringe by the barrel during mixing to prevent heating the AccuFill BSM. Now convert the mixer back to a syringe and fill the 1cc syringes. With the plunger stem fully extended, reattach the sleeve to the stem. Remove the blue plug. Holding the syringe upright, with the white cap facing up, press up on the plunger until all the air is evacuated from the syringe. Connect the first 1cc syringe and make sure the lure lock is tight. Inject 1 cc of the mix into the syringe. Repeat for the remaining syringes. To avoid losing the mix from the 1cc syringe, apply negative or back pressure on the 1cc syringe plunger before removing it from the mixing syringe. Now that all syringes are filled, the tray can be passed to the operative field. Please contact your local sales consultant with any questions about the AccuMix mixing system or the subchondroplasty procedure.